But the intention should always be, where is this taking me? If it is taking you into competition with somebody else, what on earth for? Waste of time. But people do that all the time. If my posture is better than somebody else's posture, I do want to celebrate what I have. I have the intention of helping the other person. But there is no pride or that kind of competition in it. Yeah, otherwise it is definitely not yoga. Yoga is something that leads you towards a union more. Whether with yourself or with other people or with the universe. And that intention has to be there. Slowly things will come. Okay. Am I enlightened in this stage? I don't think so. But I'm much better off today than I was 10 years ago. That's not a sense of pride. It's a sense of feeling, understanding that yes, my body is not working as well as it used to do, but my self is much better. And if you practice diligently with this attitude, from the worst practitioner to the best practitioner, to everybody, the direction will happen. Whether your direction is moving in the correct way or is doing something opposite is something you have to watch.
Is the inner ear connecting, making a relationship with the nadis?
Yes.
Because once you taught us some pattern of
lines of awareness.
Yeah, the line of awareness, right?
Okay. So inner ear, first and foremost, is a physical organ, right? Then that is connected to your bloodstream. So now it's a little deeper nadi. Then it is connected to your nervous system, still deeper nadi. Then it is connected to awareness, it is still deeper nadi. Every nadi channel connects you differently. All of the subtle nadi will not work, or if it is working you won't sense it until the grocery is adjusted. Not necessary, but very desirable. Because I'm just saying kind of opposite of what I said with Ashtavakra. With Ashtavakra, the physical body was totally distorted, but he was in meditation. Okay? For most of us whose physical body is not that distorted, our attempt is to get there step by step.